Hey everyone, DJ Kaiba here, and doing another pack opening video. I meant to do one around Christmas, but after I recorded it during the upload process, I accidentally wound up closing my web browser. So the half-hour long video kind of went completely. But anyways, got some stuff here. Got Order of Chaos box pack, a photon, photon shockwave. Got two of those. And then two of the raw yellow mega packs. So we'll start off with the Order of Chaos special edition box. Which is not wanting to open. There we go. That's the side. Alright, the card I got inside was Winged Dragon of Ra. The first pack contains Wind Up Honeybee, Starlight Starbright. I slid over there. Divine Dragon Apocalypse. Helps if I don't set them on the slick surface. Photon Crusher. Reverse Buster. Aqua Mirror Ninja, or Aqua Armor Ninja. Interplanetary Purpleth for what? Okay, you know what? Here it is. I pronounced that one. Curry Volt and Vampire Koala. You will suck your blood and then go chew on some. What do koalas eat? Eucalyptus, yes. Alright, second pack, we got another Photon Crusher. Air Armor Ninja. Dark Lawn. Another Wind Up Honeybee. ZW. Ooh, there they go again. ZW Unicorn Spear. Wind Up Rat. Another Curry Volt. Another card that I cannot pronounce the name. And try again. Let's see here. Interplanetary Purply Thorny Dragon. Yeah. And Shocktopus. Okay, and the final one, oh, Koala, otherwise known as Koala on steroids. Sealing Ceremony of Katon. Air Armor Ninja. Galaxy Wave. Shrine of Mist Valley. Full Force Strike. Zen Maelstrom, Photon Leo, and Primordial Soup. Right. Photon Shockwave Pack 1. Hoping for an Attraffic Control. I thought I had some, but I can't seem to find them right now. Zen Malfunction. Ego Boost. Damage Diet. Space Cyclone. Wind Up Night.
I don't know.
A Volatile Odonto. Sealing Ceremony of Suiton. Monster Slots. And Naturia Marron. Alright, second Photon Galaxy pack. Or Photon Shockwave. I don't know, I said Galaxy 4. Luminize. Goblin Pothole Squad. Wat Cobra. Another Zen Malfunction. Kage to Kage. Wind Up Zen Mains. That's one for the collection. Senior Silver Ninja. Mirror Male. And another Naturia Marron. Probably mispronouncing that, but that's okay. Let's see. First raw yellow mega pack. Elemental Hero Stratos. Elemental Hero Mudball Man. Test Tiger. Cyber End Dragon. Double-Edged Sword Technique. Necrogardna. Light End Dragon. Dark Lord Desire. DD Survivor. Elemental Hero Necroshade. And Rainbow Dragon. And the final pack. We have Card Blocker. Elemental Hero Neos. System down. Yubel, Terra Incarnate. Dimensional Prison. Crystal Abundance. Hero Signal. Arcus, Lightsworn Druid. Venom Minion, the King of Poisonous Snakes. Rise of the Snake Deity. And Gateway of the Six. Right, trade-wise, I'm trying to get one of everything, so from every pack. So if you have anything that you're interested in, let me know. If I have a duplicate, I will get back to you. And I will put a list of cards I'm currently looking for in the bottom, in the description. So, alright, happy dueling, guys.